Good morning students, welcome back to your online class. Today we will do exercise 7.2 time and work. Time and work exercise concept is we learn to calculate and find the time required to complete a piece of work and also find work done in a given period of time. We know the amount of work done by one person varies from the other person. So here we will find out how one person work varies from the other person and how much time is taken. So see, first of all, our first question is A can do a piece of work in 24 days while B can do it in 30 days. In how many days can they do it together? See, first of all, children, write down the same line what is given in the question. A can do a piece of work in 24 days. In the second line, children, we always used to write 1 day work because we have to find the 1 day work. So A's 1 day work is, here we will write the reciprocal of this. You know what is the reciprocal? Reciprocal means whatever number is given here, that will go in the denominator. Okay, and 1 will come here. So B can do a piece of work in 30 days. Again, B's 1 day work, it will become the reciprocal because here is no denominator. So we have written here 1 when we take the reciprocal, and this numerator will come in the denominator. So A plus B is 1 day work. So we will add up these two. Because children, it is 1 day work, so we will take the reciprocals. We will add up, find the LCM, then we solve this sum. As you all know, we have done in the fraction chapter. So answer we got is 3/40. So A and B work together. See children, this is 1 day work. But when we have to take 1 day work, there is reciprocal. But when we, here I am not taking the 1 day work. Question is find out the A and B work together in how many days. So I have taken the reciprocal of the answer of 1 day work, 40 upon 3. 3 into 13 is 39, and if I add 1 it becomes 40. So our answer is 13 1/3 days. Now children, second one is same. See the third one, A and B working together can finish a piece of work in 6 days while A alone can do it in 9 days. In how much time will B alone can do? Here the sum is twisted. Now see, A and B can finish work. Now both are doing. A is also doing, B is also doing. Both are doing in 6 days. So I have taken the 1 day work. 1 day work means I have taken the reciprocal. Now A alone can do it in 9 days. So A's reciprocal, A's 1 day work will be 1/9. Now I want B's work. How I can find B's work? What I will do, from A and B, I will subtract A. See, from this A and B, I will subtract this A. So from 1/6, I will subtract 1/9. Same way find the LCM. We got 19. Now, we got 18 with the LCM. Then we solve our sum. Okay. Now our answer is B's 1 day work is 1/18. But we want to know B alone can finish it in how many days? Not 1 day work. We want to know it in how many days it will finish. So we will take the reciprocal of this. Reciprocal of this will be 18 upon 1. 18 upon 1 means 18 days. Okay. Now children, see sum number 5th. A, B and C can do a piece of work in 8, 12 and 15 days respectively. How long will they finish it if they work together? Now children, it's not necessary that A and B only will be there. Okay, in your question it can be A, B, C or A, B, C, D. Now here they have taken 3 variables. First person A can do work in 8 days, then 1 day work will be 1/8. B can do work in 12 days, 1 day work 1/12 days. C can do work in 15 days, 1 day work 1/15. So together means we will add up these 3, 1/8, 1/12, 1/15, and we got the LCM 120. So 8 into 15 is 120, so 15 into 1. 12 into 10 is 120, so 10 into 1. 15 into 8 is 120, so 8 into 1. 15 into 1 is 15, 10 into 1 is 10, 8 into 1 is 8, and denominator is 120. Add up, we will get 33. Now if the cancellation is possible, cancel it with the table of 3. 3 into 11 is 33, 3 into 40 is 120. See children, here we got 1 day work, but our question is to find out that how long will they together finish the work, not the 1 day work. How long they will take, how many days they will take. So we will take the reciprocal of the 1 day work, 40 upon 11. So we will take the reciprocal, 11 upon 40, reciprocal will be 40 upon 11, 11 into 3, 33, and 7, 3, 7 by 11 in mixed number. That days is the answer. Now children, see the next page of your book, page number 97, sum number 9th. Here A and B can do a piece of work in 18 days, B and C can do in 24 days, C and A can finish it in 36 days. In how many days can A, B, C finish it if they all work together? Now see children, here two variables, two are given together, A, B, B, C, C, A. A and B can do work in 18 days. A and B is a 1 day work, we will take the reciprocal 1 by 18. B and C can do work in 24 days. B and C 1 day work, again the reciprocal 1 by 24. C and A can do work in 36 days. C and A 1 day work, again the reciprocal. Now children, see one thing. Here we have taken A, B, C. But here see, we are having 2A here and here. 2B here and here. 2C here and here. So we will take A plus B plus C in bracket and 2 outside, because we are having 2A, 2B, 2C. So twice A plus B plus C 1 day work, we will add up all this. Same way like this, we will find the LCM. Then we will solve the sum. We got 1 by 8. But children, this 1 by 8 is twice A plus B plus C. But we want only A plus B plus C. So we will, if it is multiply here, okay, when it goes to other side, it will become divide. So we have taken A plus B plus C is 1 day work, 1 upon 8, multiply by this 1 upon 2. Fine. Now no cancellation, 8 into 2 is 16. So we got 1 by 16. But this is A plus B plus C is 1 day work. But children, our question is how much time they will take if they all work together. Again we will take the reciprocal, it will be 16 by 1. So therefore, this is the symbol of therefore. Therefore A, B, C together can finish the work in 16 days. Okay children, thank you.